Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Hadian bakal job ya ke India Grand Finale Parks Hunt Competition balapanyai ke Park Avenue jongga Sony Project ka Kynhun tem nanong ba Shillong kalayo ban Shna ya ke jingruai ban penlong ya ke WWE official music video nado pala seng ya ke ni ka Kynhun tem house nem arajar khatpra ka Raman Monkeys kala kiu haki babun kiransan ban sei madan ya la ka sap kapong kabaya day bat ka put ka tem lengba ka jing minat top But ka jing tray shitom ka Kynhun Rum and Monkeys kalayo alat bani shimenta ha ka jing ko Parks Hunt Competition hado bakanda job ya ka final but syajit na ka benta ka official music video jongga WWE nakaliang jongga Batisi TV ngilai alat bani keren bat unong tem keyboard anan lembat u atom u barwai bara ka joko por tem gitar hadian bakiladap shooting na benta kani
Kublai pi baro te ngi de ka band Ramen Monkeys te nganchu introduce kandiat spang jongi ini di Anan keyboardist jongi but ngadi Atom vocalist but ngatem rhythm guitar as well.
Basically we are really privileged, humbled and grateful to be part of the Sony project and a little bit message for the people like I really love the chorus of the song where we say is like we are the champion. Doesn't mean that we are the best, but then like as we started the band we have so many hardships, difficulties, like many people think that forming a band is easy, you know, but then like when we started we have like when we play some shows and all, like many things goes wrong, but then when we write music, when we practice, I personally used to reach late night, I think, like around 1, 2 like that at home. So like as we go through I remember all those memories and like we didn't give up on the way and then we keep on going, we push ourselves to become better and better, and then like that's how we get the opportunity as well. So yeah, we are so grateful to be part of this project.
Kandiat spang ka band Ramen Monkeys ngi form house nem arhajar 2018 ya. Yeah, so arhajar khatpra and nado bangi sedang ka progress jongi kalong ka ba gradual tang ba ngi try banlong consistent hagrokum try jongi but kini kata ka jing consistent jongi ka la playlat ingi ba ngin le ki bon tli ki shows but ki events mo kumon show na and yeah takadaw ngi mo ngi shu kwam batay kandiat spang ka band jongi kumon shu banshu jere ki umo lang ki hadu menta ngila nadu bangi sedang ngila le shibon tli ki shows ki events nang ta dang shen ru ngi job ya ka competition ka grand finale jong ka ba host ka Park Avenue, okay, so ka competition ka teng Parks Hunt te ngi job ya to competition but ki bon like lab ki bon ki factors ki ba you can ki ba done haka journey ka jongi kum ka ban ba ngi poi haka ni ka UN kawai ka ba kongsan ka de ba karukum tre jongi kam ngimde bangi sange lani ngi up tang hau kawai ka season lani kawai ka por house nem ka karukum tre jongi kalong consistent bet long bro shis nem te namar jong kata kalat ngatrai namar jong kata kadaw actually ngi sayo ngi sapoi hau ni you can te hau ni put bangin yo ban you can ban yo ban yakan ni ka kum gani kalat jongi ban take part but ka WWE ka experience ngi but WWE kadi kawai ka ba ngam la ban batai mo kadi kawai ka opportunity ka ba he kata and karukum treatment jong kiru shathe yangi naduk bangi mi na Shillong haduk ngi poi ha Mumbai ngi shoot ha pok Mumbai te haduk bangi poi hang tu haduk bangi one pai ka treatment kala along bet nong bet shong bet la treat ngi kum ki celebrities ken like ngim kwa ban ong kum ta thang balong kala along kala poi kalong kum ta ha por bangi dan bat ki ken te nadu ka rukum sa jungi haka ong no haka rukum travel jungi na ka jakasa sha ka shoot nang ta but barokhat ka treatment ong met ka de gawe ka ba balong ki da le bhai kan yangi te nang ta sakawai pade ba ka daflai I ka video ka tu ka jingmai ka bangi ka tu jingmai ha ka tu ka jingmai ki de ka ba ngi tho he mangi so kam de ba ki ai ma ki la ni ne ka de ka we ka collaboration jongi but jongki te ngi Shna ya ka audio ya ka jingmai te ma ki pade ki Shna ya ka video te ha ka we ka kom ka lokum ka collaboration kam de tang bangi feature kala lokum ka collaboration jongi but ka WWE but ka Sony Sports Network te kuman ong no ya ka shoot pade ka rukum shoot jungi ka ni kadi ka baning kong ka scene ka baning kong ba New York ka tu kalat ban shoot ha ka set jongki you bete ka set like a proper set a professional set it's not bangi le hi lani ngi don ki kumta like ki trade ki directors ki don ki basically everyone involved kan ka don beda ka team mo nong ban shoot yang ni video but gathrai ka tu ka opportunity jongi am kanam nginam kelet ngim la ban kelet amar ba kadi ka way ka ba ngi nong no like we learned a lot so to say we've learned a lot from this opportunity and kata kan nong ka way ka ba kwa ban chu ye thu khan det ye pi hat
1 2 3 4 Says he's lost without it beside him. Help him find his way. No more strings attached to his mind. Oh, won't you please just stay? Hey, just one more night. But if you stay, hey, I will love you to the end of time. 'Cause for you, I dive the waters of the
hakani ka band so basically kani ka band kani ka project jonga okay te nga sedang ya kani ka band but ini perlu jong ini ru ide iwe na ki founding members kuman si ong te haka band ka writing process kuman si ong mo ka David like ngan sedang sanga ngan tho ya ka lyrics dan kipor ba I Daniel I lead guitar jongi himdan tas ngi ngi tang ba ma iru long tho lang ya ki lyrics kan sa teng and then nang tu pade dangi la don ya ka ong ya ka structure jong ka jingwai tengi sa ka band and then slowly ngia long ya how to say ngia compose lang ya ka jingwai kan te kata ka dei ya ka ni ka project ru ka sedang kumta hinga tho swangai ka jingwai and then slowly pade ngi sa one lang together but then ngi sa thau and nga kwam chu ong ka we nga kwam chu at ba kani ka we ru am ka dei ka project ka ba nong no kalong ka milestone ngi namar ba porba ki phone maki na po Sony Sports ki ai yang itang how many days did they give us about 11 days ki ai deadline kan yang ban pendap te kan ni cuma te I feel that we really did it like because hapo khatway sngi ban Shna ka jingwai kam dei re basuk den te we're really glad ba makiru masin set nomor perbangasan ngasen tang acoustic guitar buat ka vocals ka long ka demo jungi kan te masnya semua we kila okay kan we're ready to go ahead with this project, we're ready to for you guys to record as a full band, we like the song and then also kisen maki shaka WWE Global hapo America te makina WWE Global ru ki we really enjoy the lyrics, this composition is so nice, like we are ready to go ahead. So it's a very very big so to say it's a humble experience for us because kat maki ma shu kat maki na do America ki ta temot yang ngiru ngisngau ngidang yo show kan ka inspiration ban top ha show ban you show ma and hadu bangi poi how to opportunity ban shoot ya to music video kan banong ya basically kani ka music video te kan dan like it'll be for a lifetime like this particular music video it'll be there for a lifetime and right now te ngidang ya trehi bat ki te kindan ki projects maybe bangin la ban shim benta biang bat ki te nomor ba kila sngotanat plat ingi karukum tre jongi karukum skomon ongka ka professionalism jongi por bangidan chathiru de ki appreciate magiru te maybe in the near future in sadan biang projects baki tama as for this particular music video because bakade ka music video ru kamde tang ka ad te kansa it'll be there on their part kan it'll be there throughout for a lifetime kani music video long nakaliang kiru kilaya push ba kan like they really pushed towards promoting nomor ba ki ong ba kani ka sen ka beringkong ba maki kum ka Sony Sports su kile ka music video in the form of a promotional ad. Okay, te kimpat jule shwa katu kimpat jule long kidan ki projects bakil ale for different ventures, different organizations kum ka UFC the fitip te kila ale ya kitu ki ads de official ads kan tangba kamde haka it's not in the form of a music video. So this is the first time that it's a music video, it's in the form of a music video and it will also be there basically all the Sony Sports Network, all the entertainment Sony Sport Network channels including 10.1, 10.2 itu baru belong ki bashi area ki sports nak ta bat ka Sony Live as well te kata banga yung te hat ka kat kumbangi tip mangi tang mangi hi barang sedang bat barang yo ya kani ka lat ban tre bat ka long kata ke organization ka bahe kat kata kan te takadaw ngi snow comment ba bangi yo ru kani ka lat nomor bangi kwa ban nang nish kmat ru ban kam nang kiu basically mo nomor ba kata he as a musician as a band kata kani ka aim na ningkong kan bangin kiu bet ngindang tre shu ngindang tre tom shu but kani ka we ka lat ka ba ka ban sapli shu ye kilat yang i pade nomor ba ka kumta he nomor ba organization ka he te ngatrai ka image jongiru kan sanang pen kiu kan ka project ma mangile.
Vision's getting blurry. You want to, but you can't see
ka message kalong it's very simple like ngatry dafi menta ban form ka band ru amde shu bosok menta namar ba ka nong ka juk jongi ka David hapo social media mo nong te mangili ngi long hakoy ka sense ne ngi long very old school te ngi da ka online presence jongi kam da klan thadu kata tamangi in a way pre ngi rely be hagi shows so we've ngila one tour ngila ada one tour support mainland India and also ngila le kini ki different events and mantarong in sa le show ki events ba kambon te kawai ka message jonga ka de da fi kwa ban any artist mde tang ka band la ne mde tang music poetry art art as well like nga kwa am chu ong ba banchu tre like nai sange tang ba ka dan ka mo ka jing ka bawan any obstacle dari bawan nomor ba film la ra ban tip te kan kindan me kilat da fi ki bro am ba fi 3 minute fi long fi pen mi ki kam ki ba professional am kin bro kin khat ba fi nomor ba kalau ngam tahe ha pa te mong any kam bangile kan ka kalau macam tahe kat ba finang tre kata finang yo te tang kata ka message mo kwa ban chuang ye borok ki artist